Hey guys, it's Jeff with Transfer. I'm here with Mr. Euro, and we're taking on the next phase of our project, which is a kind of a non-traditional one for us. We are doing a set of barn wooden burned doors for our new photography and video shoot room here at our showroom in Manchester.
Oh yeah.
Euro and I have been working on these for a couple of days. It's mostly this guy right here. But today we're going to show you sort of the process of how you can take something that's just normal off-the-shelf pine wood and turn it into something wicked cool that is a little bit outside the box. So Euro's burnt and sanded and re-lacquered this whole thing down. This is going to be the outside facing portion, and this is what your sort of finished product looks like. But we're going to go ahead and start burning. So the next step after Euro's done burning the door is gonna be that he's gonna sand the whole thing down again, lightly, not a super aggressive sand, so he'll do a light sand. Then he's gonna shoot it with clear lacquer again to seal the whole thing and then give it its final kind of glossy finished appearance. So it'll look nice and wet and clean once it's completed.
How about that, sir?
Bravo, Euro. Beautiful. I love it. I love it when the resin bubbles up, comes out of the knots. I love that. I like my doors well done, not medium rare. Some of the supplies and things that we basically picked up is we just got some 12 by 96 inch board. This is all just plain pine, common board. We basically have standard primer and interior paint. And for the burning, you can use propane, you can use MAP gas, you can use natural gas. There's a lot of different choices. You just need some sort of a gas in a container that you can shoot down. So nothing that you want to flip your whole bottle over. Just make sure you're not spraying liquid fuel all over your doors. And other than that, it's a barn door kit, which again, the hardware, which is the upper track, the hanging pieces, and the rollers, all right from Home Depot. You can also get them on Amazon or any of the other websites online. There's a lot of hardware places where you can get barn doors things. Just make sure that however big your door is, you need double that for the size of the track that you need. So if you're doing a 4-foot wide door, you need an 8-foot wide track because that door's got to go all the way past the entrance in order to be fully open. So just keep that in mind whenever you're figuring out your math, but looks like Euro's just about finished up over here. So he's going to finish the last of his things, then he's going to get sanded.